Hello viewer, here is a pen tool design. We will take that pen tool shapes, then change the gradients here, and there is a angle we can generate, add a paint there. So let's have a structure, and then we will have that shape again. Take an eraser tool. So there is a paint. I will choose the paint here. Use that eraser tool again to get some fascinating results here. Thank you for watching.